Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio W215. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It will look like this. This is the day and then date, hour, minute, and second. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until you get to this view. Okay, now you can change the time format from 24 hour to 12 hour and vice versa by pressing this one, the top left button. So this one is 9 p.m. and this one is 21. Okay, next let's set the time and date, and to do that, press the mode button 1, 2, 3. So now you can see that the second is flashing or blinking, meaning that we are now in the adjustment or setting mode. And yes, let's start by setting the second. You can reset the second by pressing this one, the top left button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. And if it is 29 or less, then it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the light button to move to the next item to set. And that is the hour. And yes, if you press the light button, it will also activate the backlight, so don't worry about that. Okay, now for the hour, also the top left button to change the number. And if it's already passing the number that you want, you can just press and continue until you get to the number that you want. Sorry about that. Okay, now press again the light button and we are setting the minute. Also the same thing, use the top left button to change the number up. So in this case, I press and hold. So I want to go, maybe let's say set as 38. So press and hold until almost 38, and then press one by one to get to the number that I want. Okay, now press again the light button and we are setting this one, the month. And for this one, you can press the start stop button to increase the number. So 3, 4, 5 and so on. And let me set back to 12. Okay, now press the light button and we are now setting the date. And yes, to change the number, also the same button, the start stop button, and it will increase the number. And if I want to go back to 22, then I can just press and hold and then press one by one to get to the number that I want. Okay, and then next, press again the light button and now we are setting the day of the week. And for this one, also the same button at the top left, the start stop button, and yes, press until you get to the day that you want. So in this case, I will set as Sunday. And if you press the light button again, we're back to the setting of the second and press the mode button and done. We have set the basic settings for this watch, Casio W215. And that's all for now. If you have anything to add or any question, just put in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.